The 2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, remote start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.